guys, welcome back to Curly Walking. It's me, Ellie, again, and today we're going to be taking an awesome tour to Cayo Levantado, which is an island right off the coast of Samana. Right now we are at the main street of Samana, right on our harbor or our pier, however you want to call it, and we are just about to take our boat over to Cayo Levantado. So if you want to see exactly what Cayo Levantado has to offer, then come along. So this is the entrance of the dock of our service provider. I cannot stress to you how important it is for you to select a very professional and well-known service provider to provide these type of trips, because here in Samana, right in the main street, there will be a lot of people, just random strangers, asking for your money and asking for you to choose them as their service provider. But you have to go with someone that is reliable and professional. So we did go with these guys, Moto Marina. I will be linking the website down below in case you want to select them as your service provider. That's just the one we went with, and they have worked for us in the past. So just be aware of those random people in the street asking for your money when you don't really know them. That's just something very important to take into account. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget that you can donate directly to my channel by the Super Thanks button. So go ahead and do that right now. So this, as you can see, is Cayo Levantado. Why is it worthwhile to get on a boat and come all the way over here? Well, see for yourself. Beautiful, beautiful beach, clear waters, no sargassum, awesome, wonderful view around the Samaná Bay. Everything you can ask for a tropical paradise is right here in Cayo Levantado. So this is why it's many Dominicans and many tourists' favorite spot here in Samana and even in the entire Caribbean region. Now the mountains that you see across are the mountains that belong to this part of the province of Samana, and this around here forms what is the Samaná Bay. And now I am going to do my favorite part of the channel, which is to test out the beautiful water. So let's go. Oh my goodness, it's cold, but it's not too cold where you can't enjoy it. And the water is very, very clear, so you can see everything that's going on in the bottom. Paradise. So the panorama here is a little bit more lively. People are, with little music, and there are a lot of families and people drinking. So it's a little bit more of a fun scene. So if you like that type of thing, this is definitely your spot. Now in this beach, you are free to bring your own food if you want to. You can rent the different shade lounges that there are around for around 200 pesos, which is right under $4. There are spots where you have, shadow under the trees, shade under the trees, so that you can lie down and relax. And there's plenty of sunshine as well. Right here you can find a little bit of everything. There are different areas for you to enjoy. Right here we have a massage area, massage parlor, so you can get your massage if you want to. If you want to negotiate the price, you can do that with the ladies that are here giving people massages. There are also different excursions that you can take, snorkeling, different little paddle boats. You can do volleyball. And of course, there are places where you can buy food and drinks. So it's a place where you can find a little bit of everything. Your tropical paradise galore, guys. We have been blessed with a beautiful, beautiful day. Perfect sunshine, perfect temperature. you see another little shack. They give you all the tools you need for snorkeling. Of course, this would have an additional cost. There are different, vendors here. There's a little bar over there, and there are little gazebos where they sell food. Now, I should add that the tour we took actually includes lunch, so it is a very good value. We actually paid $25 per person, and that included the transportation to Cayo Levantado from the Samaná Bay main street, and also it includes lunch. So all in all, $25 for that whole thing. Very, very good value. If you were to take this same tour through the hotel, contigo a cada momento. If you were to take the same tour through the hotel, it would cost a lot more because the hotel was charging $30 plus tax per person just to take you here, and that did not include any food at all. So I think it was a better value to come all the way to Main Street to the vendors here in Samana town. So if you came to Cayo Levantado and you are missing something, a souvenir, or you want just something to remember your trip here, there is an entire alleyway of vendors, and you can buy basically everything that you would need. There are from like hats and clothes to jewelry, different decorations, rum, cigars, hats, everything you need right here in this alley. Be sure you can haggle with these people if you want to put down the price, but I would really encourage you to buy from these vendors because they are supporting the local economy. Venga, venga, venga. Me gustan los precios, venga. I'm going to be enjoying the rest of my day here at Cayo Levantado. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Where would you like me to show you next? And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And since I don't have Patreon, you can go ahead and hit that super thanks button if you'd like to donate any amount you want to my channel. So this is all for now, you guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. This is me signing out. Bye-bye.